Already get it. I jumped down. Never move.
Okay, we're here right now. In what do you call this thing?
1, 2, 3.
What do you call this thing?
Luge.
No, this is not the luge.
Skyride.
This is the sky ride.
Are you videoing?
Yep. We are celebrating Jillian's birthday.
Yeah, it's my birthday.
It's her 30th birthday.
It's 18.
Oh, it's 18. Sorry. So we're enjoying the heights. Shit.
Sorry. Let's get my.
So fucking high. I'll post this later in YouTube.
Above the ground.
What's your birthday wish?
Secret.
Cigarette? You want?
8 years old now. She wants to smoke. Yeah.
Later this thing drop.
Like, Kuya, I will kill you.